Right guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see here, this is my new MX5 project. I'm currently in the middle of replacing the cam belt. I'm just putting it all back together and I'm now having a look at the water leak that it's got. It's got a bit of a weird one. Just under here, there's a water neck that comes from the bottom of the rad. The pipe comes around and then it comes into this 2-bolt fixing onto the pump. So you've got to undo that at least even when you're doing the cam belts. What the common fault is usually this little elbow here, they weld it up at the end at factory or whatever. That quite often leaks. I've just cleaned it up on the wire wheel and to be fair, I don't think that looks too bad. It doesn't, it's pitted, but it doesn't look like it's actually leaking at the moment. But what I have found is there's obviously coolant residue all around the top here, and there's actually a pinhole, well it's not as big as a pinhole, actually a hole in here where it's corroded away. Look, you should be able to see. Look at that, right through. So that's obviously under pressure, been squirting out past the end of the pipe that you slip over. Probably run down here, maybe even looking like it is dripping off there. But yeah, that is actually, I think, in my opinion, that is the fault. So I'm going to clean that up, try and fill that hole with either a bit of JB Weld or a bit of RTV sealant, let it go off, and then once that's done, put the pipe back on. I'm probably going to double Jubilee it rather than just having one. I'm probably going to put 2 on, or at least when I put the clamp on, make sure the clamp is central to that as possible, just to try and keep that sealed. And then yeah, hopefully we can mock up the rest of the turbo, and then later on, once everything else works, the turbo's all right, you know, yada yada yada. If that becomes a problem, I'll buy another one of these necks and refit it.